Hello, good evening po sa lahat na nanonood ngayong gabi. Sa lahat po ng ating mga reviewers for our civil service examination this coming March. At sa mga bago po nating members or for those who have already been with us for a long time and nagre-review po for this one. Hello po ulit sa inyong lahat. Magandang gabi po. Nakapag-dinner na po ba ang lahat? Ayan. So sana po ay ready po tayo for tonight's discussion with your scratch papers. And of course, if you already had your advanced materials answered, then sana po ay naka-ready po ito. Please have your scratch papers with you, your pencils, and reminder po, wala po tayong calculators during the actual civil service examination. So i-practice na po natin yan while we're having tonight's discussion. Kindly share po the location where you are reviewing from tonight. And also, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our Facebook and YouTube pages. And if possible po, pakitag na rin lang yung mga kasama nating alam nating kukuha po ng civil service examination this March. Or for those na medyo maaga, nag-start ng review for future examinations. Ayan. So, patag po ulit na mga kilala nating maaring matulungan ng ating review for tonight. And also, please kindly share here in the comment section yung location po kung saan kayo nagre-review from. Ayan. So, I will be starting the review session in a couple of minutes. Hintayin lang po natin saglit yung iba pa nating kasama na maka-join. While we're doing so, mag-troubleshoot po muna tayo. Check ninyo yung audio. Check nyo yung surroundings ninyo. Handa na po ba lahat? May paper tayo, may pens or pencils. And also, ang tawag dito, kung mayroon kayong snacks or kahit dinner na po ninyo, i-ready na po natin para wala na pong tayuan pag nakapag-umpisa na po tayo. Ano po? So, hello po sa inyong lahat. Hello, Jessica. Good evening. Meron tayo dito from... Okay, sandali. Tingnan muna natin. We have, okay, Maria Donesa is from Negros Oriental. Hello, Maria. Meron tayo dito from Ligaw Albay. Pasensya na po at hindi ko po mabasa yung inyong name. Hindi po kasi na makalabas dito sa akin. And then, hello, good evening din. May isa pa tayong Facebook user. Hindi ko rin po makita yung name. Ayan, hindi po kasi lahat tumalabas yung pangalan. Okay, hello, Yam from Bacolod. Malapit lang, Bacolod. Malapit lang dito sa amin. Yes, Jessica from Bulacan. Hello, good evening po sa inyong lahat. So we will resume in a few minutes. For now, mag-prepare po muna tayo ng lahat ng materials para tuloy-tuloy na po yung review natin mamaya at wala na pong masyadong disruptions. Again, patag po ang lahat ng mga kasama niyo. Alam niyo po ng exam, ang message na po sila para in tune po sila doon sa ating discussion. Hello po sa ating reviewer from Misamis Occidental and Luis from Davao, EFA. Meron tayo from Santa Cruz, Laguna. Hello, Joel. From South Cotabato. Ayan. Hintayin na tayo saglit. Maybe in 2 minutes at exactly 6:05, we will begin. Okay. Hello, Griselda from Benito Soliven, Isabela. And Kathleen from Abra. Sinusubukan ko pong mag-comment din sa Facebook pero parang ayaw yata ng device ko eh. Wag na lang po. Sige. Hello, Princess and Weng from Quezon. Maria Arnaliza from Camarines Sur. Okay, we are about to start. Again po, sa mga kaka-join pa lang, please make sure na nakahanda na po yung inyong scratch papers, ang inyong pens and pencils kasi po pagkukuha po tayo ng exam, dapat ready po yung pencils natin kasi kailangan natin ng marami-raming solving at minsan may mga papalitan tayo sagot. Ano po? And Annalisa from Abuyog Lake. Ayan. So, good evening po ulit sa inyong lahat. So far, double check kung ilan na po yung mga nanonood. Saglit lang po. Uh-huh. I think as of the moment, we have, ilan kayong viewers natin? 132. Sige, marami-rami na rin po tayo. Let's begin in a short while. Eto. So before formalizing our review for tonight, let's have, malapit na yun po kasi, ano po? So let's begin first with a very short prayer as to ask for guidance for this coming civil service examination. So let us all um, be reminded that we are always before the holy presence of our God and dispose ourselves for prayer. Dear Lord, you know that we are very anxious about the tests and exams that we have to face very soon, and we ask that you would calm our anxious and clouded thoughts. Please calm these nerves that we have and let us rest in you always. We pray that as we enter the exam, that you will fill our hearts with perfect peace that only comes from you. Please also give us clarity of thought and prompt our minds to remember all the things that we have studied. Give us the wisdom and ability to transfer our thoughts Ayan, pasensya po. We had a slight interruption for our connection, but everything is good and well perhaps. Pa-comment po ulit if everything is fine and nakakonect po tayo ulit. And if you can clearly see and hear me, pakigalaw po ng basa sa ating comment section. Thank you very much for waiting and my apologies for the delay. So I believe we are now ready to begin tonight's session. Okay. Now, for tonight's discussion, we are having a few items that you have to discuss. In your mock items, examinations that are given to you in preparation sa ating civil service na examination, nabigyan kayo ng mga marami-raming items na kailangan po ninyong pagpraktisan o pagsagutan po ninyo. Now, yung numerical reasoning po natin ay from items number 61 to 100. For tonight, yung una po nating sasagutan ay yung items number 61 to 80. Tapos meron po akong isasaling ibang mga problems na katulad ng lumabas doon sa 61 to 80 para po madagdagan ang mga practice items na. Pagkatapos po, ang 81 to 100 ay didiscuss naman natin sa sunod nating pagkikita which is next week. Thank you very much, Lord Gina, for letting me know na okay na yung ating connection. Ayan. So, the first set of instructions, may instruction item in the succeeding problems will have series of numbers arranged. So you are to study the series and determine the number which is next. Ayan. So pakilagay po sa comment section yung number ng item number na nagko-correspond po sa inyong sagot. Okay? So let's have item number 1. Or rather 61. So we have the series 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. And then what would come next? Is it 1, 23? Is it option 2, 25? Option 3, 27? Option 4, 29? And option 5, 31. Kindly put in the comment section kung ano po yung inyong item, yung inyong pong option. So it would help also kung katulad ng ginawa ni Maria at ni Kathleen ay ilagay din po ninyo kung ano po ang ating item number. Halimbawa 61 and then yung sagot po ninyo. Okay? So I'm seeing a couple of answers already. Ayan, marami-rami na rin po. Sige. So Maria, Lucas, Kathleen, Jorlan, tapos meron tayong dalawang Facebook user, hindi po kasi lumalabas yung pangalan ninyo, May Ann. Ayan. Meron tayo ditong, returnee. Ayan. Hello, Rebecca. Nakapasa na siya sa kanyang board examination. Congratulations. Ayan. Sige, let's take a look kasi parang halos magkakapareho po yung sagot ninyo. So, ano po ba yung pattern na nakita ninyo? I hope it's the same as what I'm seeing. Minsan po kasi it's possible na yung nakikita nyo ay iba sa nakikita ko, pero same pa rin naman yung final answer niya. So, ano po yung possible na pattern dito? It could be, the first pattern is that from 11 to 20 to 13, nagpa-plus 2 po tayo. Tapos next naman po, 13 to 17, as you could notice, nag-plus 4. And then 17 to 19 plus 2 ulit. Tapos 19 to 23 plus 4 ulit. So as you can see, ano po yung pattern natin? So we're expecting that the pattern is probably going to repeat and it has to be plus 2. So that would mean 23 plus 2 is indeed option 2, 25. Okay? So some things to remember when doing things like series and patterns, kailangan po maghintay po muna tayo ng 2 to 3 items bago natin ma-check na na-establish talaga natin yung pattern. Hindi pwedeng unang set lang or first 2 sets lang. Halimbawa, kung unang set lang, nag-plus 2. So pag-a-assume ka na halos lahat plus 2 na. But sometimes, may paiba-ibang pattern. Or what if, yung first 2 patterns mo ay plus 2 at plus 4? What if hindi mo tinapos at nag-assume ka na plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8? So magkakamali ka towards the end. So make sure that when you are doing patterns, mag-establish kayo ng mga 3 or more sets muna na nakikita talaga ninyo na nag-uulit na o nagre-repeat na yung pattern or nagpo-progress in a certain way bago po kayo mag-finalize ng answer niyo. So the correct answer in number 61 is option 2, which is 25. Okay, let's have the next item. Ayan. My apologies for the next item. It seems na hindi ko po na may kaunti po tayong error sa animation. So for the next item here, medyo kita na po ba natin yung ating option? Ayan. So item number 62, that should be a little bit of a giveaway. But the idea here is, ayan. So yung main idea po natin dito, that is, main idea rather, yung kailangan po natin i-emphasize dito is that, although obvious na kung ano yung process natin dito, what we have to remember sa ganitong klaseng items is that may mga rules tayo na kailangan i-recall. This one is a little bit easy kapag squaring, familiar na kayo siguro. Yung isa pang pattern na nadagdag lang dito is yung positive and negative, right? So yung kailangan na po nating alalahanin is paano po mag-square kapag negative, right? So please keep in mind na kapag yung negative number po ang sinusquare ninyo, kapag may parenthesis at kasama si negative sa sinusquare, ibig sabihin yung negative nagiging positive, di po ba? Pero kung kagaya po dito sa number 62, na yung negative ay walang parenthesis, hindi siya nasasama sa squaring, so hindi po siya dapat sinusquare, right? So yung negative na nanatili pong negative yung final answer natin. So we have to keep that in mind. Ayan. So, option 4 or option 5, kasi medyo mali po yung pagkaka-ano natin dito. So, how would you deal with this if ito yung item na mafe-face ninyo doon sa may actual na civil service examination? The typographical error here is actually on the part of the exam and not on sa item mismo. So, kung titingnan po ninyo, yung answer dyan is negative 36. Nandyan po dapat yan sa fourth option, not option 5. Tingnan po ninyo. Right? So the thing is, when you're going to answer this later, ang mangyayari po dyan ay yung hahanapin din nilang answer na isi-shade ninyo ay option 4. Kasi po, yung progression ay option 4 po siya. Tingnan nyo po, number negative 36 is option 4. 5 lang yung nasulat. So be very, very careful when you're answering also because at times, hindi po perfect yung pagkakagawa ng exam. Minsan, nagkakaroon din po ng kaunting errors. Minimal po yung mga ganitong klaseng errors, pero just in case, you have to be very, very aware kung ano po yung order ng items. So your answer is negative 36 and it would have been option 4. Kung meron po sanang chance, pwede natin itong ma-contest. Ganyan sa kanila. Pero kung wala, we have to be safe na lang po, play safe na lang and answer whatever is available. Ayan. So now let's take a look at the next item. Item number 63. So please write din po yung item number 63 bago po yung option ninyo para sure tayo na we're answering the same item at the moment. Okay? Ayan. So, I'm seeing a lot of answers already. Meron na tayo dito from, tawag dito? Mayan, si Lucas, si Larimin, Nia, Anjanet, Pajoso, Hazi. Okay. Yung mga Facebook users po, yung iba po sa inyo, hindi po kasi lumalabas yung pangalan, so hindi ko po kayo matatawag. Si Fai, Mary Rose, Letlet, and JR. So the correct answer is, paano nga ba? Right? So what we're supposed to do is tingnan natin kung ano yung pattern. So ako kasi yung nakita kong pattern is ganito. Yung numerator, nagdadagdag ka ng 2, tapos yung denominator, parang nagdadagdag ka ng 6. And nauulit yung pattern, di po ba? So we anticipate that the pattern keeps on going and the option will be 9 plus 2 is 11 and 27 plus 6 is 35. So the correct answer here should be option 2. I think marami-rami po sa inyo yung nakakuha ng correct answer dito. That's great. We're on the right track. Ayan. Sana ganito rin sa actual civil service exam. Ano po? Sige, let's take a look at item number 64. So for item number 64, the series is 516, 497, 478, 459, and then what? The options are option 1, 436, option 2, 438, option 3, 440, option 4, 446, and option 5, 452. Please type the item number and your option na pinili po ninyo. And habang maaga-aga pa po, please don't hesitate to tag all of your friends or makilala po ninyo na alam niyo kung po ng civil service examination this coming March. And also, don't forget to like and heart tonight's discussion. Para na rin po ma-save ninyo. So, don't forget to react and then to share tonight's tonight's video para mas madali po ninyong ma-track. Kasi pwede po ninyong balikan ito, yung video na to. The first hour will be available in our Facebook page kahit tapos na po yung session natin. So, that's an advantage for you. Okay, so let's take a look at the solution now. Marami-rami na rin po yung nakapagbigay ng sagot. Let's see if it's correct. So may mga names na ngayon ko lang nakita. Wala ata sila kanina. Ayan. So we have, the first is parang nagma-minus 19 tayo, which is repeated in the next one. So we're assuming that this pattern continues on. And so the correct option should be 459 minus 19. It is indeed option 3, 440. Ayan. So that's it for sequences and series na portion ng review natin for tonight. Congratulations po. Nakakailang score na po ba tayo? So hopefully po, sa mga nakasagot po in advance, sine-check ninyo kung ilan po yung tamang sagot ninyo so that you can gauge kung anong chances natin na makakuha ng mataas na score during the actual civil service examination. Malalaman po ninyo kung anong subject yung medyo kailangan pa ninyo ng additional practice and additional na review po para mas ma-ensure natin nakakapasa tayo. Ayan, congratulations sa mga naka-perfect na 4. By the way, once the actual examination is done po sa civil service, sana naman po ay magbalikan nyo rin po kami and give us some feedback kung ano po yung lumalabas na mga items. Yung iba po kasing ginagamit kong items are the ones that was given to us as feedback na lumabas noong nakarang examination. And it would really help all of us if na-improve po natin by including a lot of the items na palagi pong lumalabas sa civil service examination. So you may message me directly. Pwede niyo po akong ma-DM para po maka-update po tayo sa isa't isa. Ayan, congratulations sa mga naka 4 out of 4. Now let's take a look at additional items. This time around, what you have to do is choose the correct answer from the choices given. So you have to identify the items that correspond to your answer. Let's take a look at item number 65. The sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is 60. What is the largest number? Option 1, 18, option 2, 19, option 3, 20, option 4, 21, and option 5, 22. Okay, I am seeing some comments already. Tingnan natin yung mga nakapagbigay na ng answer. Ayan, marami-rami na. And most of you seemingly are writing the same answer. Oh, interesting. I'm seeing 4 and 5. Parang maraming sumasagot ng 4 at saka 5. Oh, it's 85 ba siya sa questionnaire? Pasensya po. We will be modifying this the next time. Sige po. Thank you po sa feedback natin. Sige po. We'll make adjustments. So 4 and 5. Tapos meron din sumasagot ng 3. Very, very interesting. Ayan, baka gusto po ninyong magmuni-muni muna. Kasi parang medyo magkakaiba yung sagot ninyo, which is very, very interesting. By the way, this item came out in the previous lang na civil service examination noong August 2023. So the chances of a similar problem coming up in the next exam is quite high. It's very interesting. Marami ako na-encounter na 3, marami rin yung 4, tsaka marami rin yung 5. Pinakamarami so far is option 4. Now, let's have a bit of a review kasi parang maraming magkakaiba yung answers natin, right? So let's take a look. So some key ideas here. You have 3 consecutive numbers. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng consecutive? Pag sinabi po natin consecutive, hindi po ba magkakasunod? So magkakasunod sila. Magkakasunod like 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, negative 35, negative 34, negative 33. So those are consecutive integers. Yung pinakamababa yung una-una, tapos pinakamataas or largest yung nasa dulo. Right? Alam natin yan, di ba? Yun po yung consecutive. I think all of you captured that idea. However, there is this word here, even. Ayan. So let that sink in muna. 3 consecutive even integers. So I'll let you think on that first. I think a lot of you are already having some reactions here in the comment section. May nagpapalit po na answer. Yes, because pag sinabi po nating even, hindi po ba yung even ay dapat divisible by 2? Pag odd po, yun ang divisible, ang hindi siya divisible by 2. So pag sinabing even, dapat divisible by 2 like 2, 4, 6, or 6, 8, 10, or maybe 10, 12, 14. So magkakasunod siya, pero dapat hindi odd, hindi kasama yung odd. So, meron po tayong skip by 2s. Ayun po yung dapat mangyari. Ayan. So, maraming nag-change ng answer. So, what's our answer now? So, by the way, I think you're getting the idea, right? So, ano po ba yung solution? 3 consecutive even integers that the sum is 60. So, kung 60 po yung sum, tapos tatlo po sila, yung gagawin lang naman po natin, di ba, i-divide lang naman natin yan sa tatlo. So, that should give us 20. Yung nakuha po ninyong 20 na yan, that is an indicator of our middle number. So, middle si 20, ibig sabihin merong before at merong after. Now, kung 3 consecutive integers lang po yung hanap natin, it would have been 19, 20, 21. Kung consecutive integers lang. However, yung hinahanap po ng problem natin ay consecutive even integers. Di po ba? So dahil consecutive even integers, hindi po pwede si 19 at 21. So we have to go lower than 19, which is 18, and higher than 21, which is 22, which means that now our largest number is item or option number 5, which is 22. Ayan. So I really make sure that this item is included because I have a feeling. I had a feeling na marami ang possible na magkamali dito. So please read the questions very, very carefully dun po sa actual na civil service examination. Ayan. So syempre, bigyan natin ng chance yung karamihan na makabawi. Kasi I'm sure may mga nadali sa tricky question. Pero ito po yung exact na lumabas nung nakaraang August 2023. So meron po ako mga additional items na binigay dito. Please type like say item A, ano yung answer ninyo? Item B, ano rin yung answer ninyo? At item C. Yes, the questions ay naka-base sa actual mock test na binigay. Baka po hindi lang nag-match yung item number. I think I've had a feedback na yung items yata nag-start sa 80 plus. Tapos yung sa akin yung binigay ko just now started with 60. So, ano na nga ba yung item natin? 65. Yung pinalabas ko just now, that should be 85 on your paper. So, paka-review po somewhere doon sa mga 60 plus or 80 plus, dapat nandyan po yung items natin. But yes, nakalabas na, nandyan po siya naka-base sa may mock test. Binibigyan po namin kayo ng ample time para po makapag-review and ang tawag dito, para makapagsagot at your own pace para po mas marami yung makover natin kasi mas nakakapag-review tayo. Right? Sige. So, can you give, ito yung kakabigay ko lang na items, yung naka-flash right now sa screen. Hindi po to makikita doon sa may mock test. Okay? Dinagdag ko lang po to deliberately kasi I had a feeling na baka may hindi makakuha ng mga answers natin doon sa nakaraang item. Ayan. So, please type option A, ano yung answer ninyo, or item A, ano answer ninyo, item B rin, ganon. Hindi po ito multiple choice. Ano po? This should be, tawag dito? Um, Sige, can we have some answers? This is additional practice aside from what's given. So, letter po, at saka pati na rin yung sagot niya. Kasi each of these ay kailangan po nating sagutan. So, letter A, find the least of 5 consecutive integers whose sum is 120. Unahin po natin yung letter A. Sige. May answer na si Eda sa letter A. Ayan. Let's see. Maghintay po muna tayo saglit ng iba pang pwedeng makapagbigay ng sagot. Si Lucas may answer na rin. Oo, magkaiba kayo ng sagot. Remember, yung hinahanap natin is the least. So by the way, I have commented din po sa ating Facebook na post dito po sa ating video para po makita rin ninyo yung account ko should you need to give me feedback or you need to message me directly later kung ano po yung mga lumalabas sa actual na civil service examination, right? So let's take a look at your answer. Okay, yung hinahanap po natin ay yung list. So may answer si May, si Lucas, si Eda, Danica. Most of you are saying 22. So let's see. Paano ba natin makukuha yan? So we have 120 yung sum, tapos 5 consecutive integers. So yung kailangan na po natin gawin ay yung 120 ay i-divide natin sa 5. Ano po? So 120 should be divided by 5. Ano yung answer nun? 120 divided by 5 is what? So 120 divided by 5 should give us 24. So yung 24 should be the middle. 5, right? 5 yung items natin, 5 numbers. So yung 24 dapat nandito. So ano yung least natin? We should go 24. Before 24 is 23. Tapos yung before pa, yung pinakamababa, should be 22. So the correct answer should be 22. So paano po ninyo mahanap yung 5 consecutive integers na yon? Hindi niyo po kailangang mag-trial and error ng mag-add ng numbers hanggang sa mag-120. Yung pwede niyo pong gawin ay si 120, i-divide niyo po sa 5 kasi 5 po yung consecutive integers. So divide niyo lang po kung ilan yung numbers ng integers, ilang integers meron. Tapos from there, you will get the middle number, which is 24. And then after getting that, you will get the final answer na yung least pala doon is going to be 22. So the correct answer for item A is 22. Now, can you try item B? The largest of 3 consecutive odd integers is 49. Okay, so what is their sum? The largest of 3 consecutive odd integers is 49. What is their sum? Ayan, Christine is posting her answer in letter A and in letter B. Oh, iba yung answer ni Kathleen. At iba rin yung answer ng iba. Okay, interesting. Sige nga. Can you try to solve ulit? So in item B, the largest of three consecutive odd integers is 49. Yun yung pinakamalaki sa tatlong magkakasunod. So alam po natin na ano yung middle number natin. So if we have 49, the middle number should be, hindi siya 48 ha, kasi consecutive odd. So the middle number should be 47, and then the least number should be 45. So what you can do is, since you already have the numbers 49, 47, 45, you can add them up to get 141. Or option 2, alam natin yung largest, we can get the middle number which is 47. Pag alam niyo po yung middle number, pwede na lang po kayo mag-multiply doon kung ilan yung digits or ilan yung numbers. So the middle number is 47 times tatlong integers. 47 times 3 is still 141. So remember, hanapin palagi yung middle number because the middle number is the one that indicates the sum. It can help you find the sum a little bit faster. Right? Sige. So marami po yung nakakuha ng correct answer. Now let's take a look at item C. The sum of the least and largest of four consecutive integers or even integers is 50. What are the consecutive integers? Again, item C, the sum of the least and largest of four consecutive even integers is 50. So what are the consecutive even integers? Yung consecutive even ha, hindi lang isa or dalawa or ano. Consecutive integers, ano sila? Okay, I'm seeing an answer from Lucas and from Phoebe. Oh, okay. And Christine also. So what are the consecutive even integers? Ano po sila? So yung least and largest natin, yung sum ay 50. So 50, dalawang numbers lang yan. 50 divided by 2 is 25. 25 should be the middle of all of your numbers. Pero alam nating even. So hindi pwede sa 25 mismo. So dapat before and after 25 na even, meron kang 24 and 26. Pero apat. So before and after ulit. So meron kang 24, 26. Magdagdag ka pa before and after. That's 22 and 28. So the correct answer for item C should be 22, 24, 26, and 28. Ayan. Possible po na misinterpret ninyo, yung binibigay ko po kasi dito, yung 50 ay yung least and largest lang. Hindi kasama yung dalawa sa gitna. Okay? So, read po natin carefully yung items. Minsan po kasi may mga medyo tricky na way na pag-ask ng items. So, kung hindi po natin siya nababasa, may mamimiss out po kayong details. Yun po yung particular sa my civil service examination na hindi ganun kahirap yung items. Yung mahirap actually is intindihin yung mga items kasi minsan they don't ask direct to the point. So what I would suggest is you read the instructions or the items very, very carefully to make sure na wala pa kayo nakakaligtaan na details. Kasi medyo confusing po siya kung may na-miss out kayo. Okay? So I hope that somehow cleared things up kahit papaano. Let's take a look at item number 66 or the next item. Ayan, Larry Min, 50 divide sa dalawa kasi yung sum natin ay least and largest lang naman. Dalawa lang naman yung dinadagdag natin to get 50. Hindi apat. So it's just the least and the largest. Silang dalawa lang yung dinagdag. Kaya divided by 2 lang. That's why we really have to read the items very carefully. Ayan, hala, may mga nadali. So, mabuti na lang na dito na kayo madali, wag lang sa actual items, okay? So, medyo sinadya ko po talaga na nagbibigay ako ng mga items na possible na madali kayo para ma-encounter na po ninyo yung mga possible tricks, possible means of deceit, di ba? Kasi sabi nila, kapag na-experience po na daw maloko, hopefully medyo hindi ka na madaling maloko ulit. Ganon, di ba? Sana true. Ayan. So yun, careful tayo sa mga words minsan. May mga kakaunting words na pag di nyo nakita, nag-iiba yung meaning ng entire statement. So we have to be careful with those. Okay? Ang importante, ligwak man dito, gets na ninyo. So sa actual exam, hopefully hindi na maliligwak ulit, right? So the next item is, what is the sale price of a laptop worth 42,000 pesos which has a 5% discount? Is it option 1, 40,000 pesos, option 2, 39,700 pesos, option 3, option 3 pala yun. Option 2, 39,800, option 4, 39,900, or option 5, 41,500 pesos. I think many of you are already giving you answers. I am guessing these are the ones who already have advanced copy of the items. Ano po? Sige, so let's take a look at the solution. Please don't forget always yung ating pong triangle. That is your percentage base rate. So, okay lang po magkanda baliktad si R tsaka si B sa baba, basta P always nasa taas. So, ano po yung ibig sabihin nito? It means that P is your portion of a whole. R, yung portion of a whole ay bahagi lang po ng the entire thing. Yung R po natin, yan po yung mga naka-percent, naka-fraction, naka-decimal, yan po yung R. And yung B naman is yung original value or yung whole value natin, ng kung pera man yan or ng amount or ng size or whatever it is that we have. So, first things first, always try to look for keywords that could help you identify kung ano ba yung item na yon. So, in this specific item, you have 42,000 pesos. That is the worth of your laptop. Yung worth niya talaga. So that means that it's going to be your base. Kasi worth talaga. Presyo talaga niya. And then we also have, yung 5% discount. So yung 5%, dahil naka-percent form siya, obviously that's going to be your rate. Okay? That's going to be your rate. So ngayon, ano yung hinahanap natin? We're looking for the sale price. Ibig sabihin, ano yung presyo niya nung binili mo? Saan ba yung nangyayari? Yung 5% na yon, ibabawas mo sa price. Tama po ba? So one option of solving here is, let's look for that P. Ano ba yung binabawas natin? So P is equal to RB. Of course, your R is 0.05 and then your base is 42,000, which can be rewritten as 5 times 420. Tinanggal ko lang po yung decimal place sa 0.05. And so, tinanggal ko na rin yung dalawang zero doon sa may 42,000. That should give me 2,100. But keep in mind that this is not the answer that we're looking for. Kasi po, yung 2,100, yun pa lang po yung discount. Yung hinahanap po sa atin ay yung sale price, yung presyo after ng discount. And so, this is not yet the final answer. What we have to do is, ibawas muna natin yung discount from the original price. Tama po ba? And so, this should give us the final answer, which is option 4, which a lot of you have gotten correctly. Ayan, congratulations. So, keep in mind po that when you have these items, balikan po palagi yung question, ano yung binibigay, identify natin ng maayos, at ano yung hinahanap. Okay? Yung hinahanap dapat tingnan natin ng mabuti kasi kung ano yung hinihingi sa atin, yun po dapat yung binibigay, walang labis, walang kulang. Okay? Now, let's take a look at another item. Okay, I highlighted something here in red kasi parang nagkaroon po yata ako ng typographical error doon po sa binigay naming advanced item. So if yung given po na advanced item na yon, wala pong sagot dito sa may options. So if you've already answered, I hope you can still take the time to review and change the given. The width of a rectangle is 10 centimeters less than its length, and its perimeter is 60 centimeters. What is the width? Is it option 1, 10 centimeters, option 2, 15 centimeters, option 3, 30 centimeters, or option 4, 40 centimeters, or option 5, 64 centimeters? I am seeing answer in option 2, option 3, and option 1. So can we see other answers from other people po? Ayan, I think quite a lot of you have been giving the same answer. And that is, let's take a look muna kung paano po siya nasa-solve. So we have this, item number 67, we have a keyword here, the width of the rectangle. So that's going to be W, that's the width, is, kung may makita po kayong is doon sa isang word problem, is an indicator of the equal sign. Okay? And then, yung key item po natin dito, 10 centimeters less than its width. Less than its width. So, ano pong ibig sabihin ng 10 centimeters less than its length? Sorry, length, not width. So, ano po yung ibig sabihin nun? That can be interpreted mathematically as L minus 10. Yung 10 centimeters less than, that's a minus 10. That is not 10 minus L, okay? Yung less than po means minus 10, not 10 minus. So please keep that in mind, okay? So with that, you should have W is equal to L minus 10. And now, we have the given that the perimeter is 60 centimeters. So ano po yung mangyayari? Our working equation is the perimeter, which is 60, is equal to your 2L plus 2W kasi yun po yung equation ng ating perimeter. Another option is 2 times L plus W. Pwede rin po yun. So now, let's try to solve. If you have 60 is equal to 2L plus 2W, palitan po natin yung W kasi alam po natin that based on the equation above, W is equal to L minus 10. So substitute po natin yan dyan and you would end up having this. So 60 is equal to 2L plus 2 times L minus 10. Next, let us try to distribute yung 2 doon sa may naka-orange natin sa loob. That's going to be plus 2L minus 2 times 10 is negative 20. So this should become 60 is equal to 4L minus 20. Yan yung mangyayari after distribution and simplification. And then what would happen next? So usually pag meron po tayong equation, lahat ng may variables on one side, lahat ng may variables lipat sa kabila. So ang dapat natin gawin dito, si 4L, let it stay there. Kasi positive na yung variable mo. Let it stay there. Yung isang walang variable, siya na lang po yung mag-a-adjust. Ilipat po natin siya doon sa kabila. Right? So si minus 20, ililipat natin doon sa kaliwa. At pag mangyayari po yun, yung mangyayari doon ay yung minus na sign magiging plus. Ano po? Right? So kung magiging plus siya, 60 plus 20 becomes 80. So that is 80 is equal to 4L. And so if 80 is equal to 4L, ano po yung mangyayari next? So we have to isolate si L. Dapat si L lang matira kasi hinahanap natin siya. So para mahanap natin si L, dapat i-divide natin everything by 4 para walang matira sa katabi ni L, si L na lang. So you would end up having 20 is equal to L. Now you might wonder, ba't wala dyan yung sagot? Siyempre, kasi hindi pa naman yan yung hinahanap natin. Always, always balikan yung question. You are being asked, what is the width? So what is the width? I am seeing some different answers. Interesting. So what is the width? I think may nakakuha ng mga tamang sagot dito like Lucas, Larry Mian, Michelle, na isang Facebook user, hindi po lumalabas yung pangalan ninyo. And then Maria Vanessa, and may isa po ulit Facebook user. So the correct answer, and Glisel. So, L is 20, ibig sabihin, ano yung hinahanap natin? W is equal to L minus 10. So that should be 20 minus 10. Dapat yung answer natin ay option 1 po. So it's option 1 and that is 10 centimeters. Ayan. Now, these kinds of problems can be a little bit tricky and so I'm giving additional items ulit bago po tayo magpatuloy sa next set of items. So let's start with letter A first. Bago po tayo mag-proceed sa letter B. So additional practice items po bago tayo mag-proceed doon sa my item number 68. Kindly read the items and then give your answers in a while. Time check po in my, okay, it's 6:53. So the first hour of our review is free for all. But yung second hour po natin is exclusive po for those who are already members of our Civil Service Examination Review Group. So we will be ending soon para po doon sa hindi pa member ng Civil Service Exam Review. You would only have access to the entire 2-hour session if nagpa-member po kayo sa ating Gurong Pinoy Civil Service Exam Review Group. So if hindi pa po kayo member at gusto po ninyo makuha yung limited edition ng mga access natin sa lahat ng items at lahat ng review natin, then please message us directly dito po sa ating Facebook page para po maging bahagi kayo ng ating review group. Sayang po kasi hindi pa po tayo nangangalahati sa tonight's discussion. So, limited po yung makukuha ninyong items if hindi po kayo, at discussion na rin ng solutions if hindi po tayo naging bahagi na ating review group. Meron naman po kayong mga items na makukuha like the ones that we've discussed before, pero hindi po lahat. So, don't hesitate to message us directly in our Facebook group. Send us a DM para po maging member po tayo at unlimited access po tayo. Ayan. So let's take a look at item A. I hope to finish this siguro at least sa mga free viewers natin ay makakuha lang man sila ng ating ng ating answers for this one. So, may answer na si Lucas tsaka si Kathy. Pete wishes to put a border around a 15 meter by 7 meter rectangular garden. So how many meters of fencing material is needed? So keep in mind that we're just looking for border lang naman, iikot ka lang naman sa rectangular garden. So what we need is the perimeter which is 2L plus 2W. So ano po yan? That is dalawang length times dalawang width. So dalawang 15 plus dalawang 7, that's 30 plus 14, or as most of you are saying here, is 44 meters. So your answers and letter A is correct. Now, let's take a look at letter B kasi dapat makuha nyo ng tama si A para makuha nyo rin ng tama si B. So using the same fencing material as above, which is 44 meters, gaya ng nasolve natin, what would be the side measurement of a square garden that can be enclosed? This time, your garden is a square-shaped garden. And you have the same materials, which is 44 meters. So ano kaya yung side ng square garden na kayang palibutan ng 44 meters of fencing material? May answer na si Kathy. Can we see other answers, please? Ayan, si Lucas and Jazzer. So you are correct. So 44 meters po. Dahil square, ibig sabihin po pag square ay equal lang po yung lahat ng sides natin. So 4 sides po yan. So ibig sabihin 44 meters na perimeter divided by 4 sides should give you 11 meters. Ayan. So yes, wala pong problema kung hindi po ninyo magets. Balikan lang po ninyo yung video later. Ayan. Sige, now let's try to take a look at more items kasi mixed po yung lumalabas na items doon sa civil service examination. It's not just a few types, right? Let's take a look at item number 68. What is the sum of 5x plus 3y and 4x minus 2y? Is it 5x minus 8y? Or 6x plus 5y? Or 8x plus 4y, or 9x plus y, or none of the above? Oh, interesting. I'm receiving answers na 4 and 5. So I'm receiving two different answers. So now let's take a look at this. Sige. So solve po natin. We're just getting the sum, right? So mag-a-add lang po tayo. So that's 5x plus 3y plus 4x minus 2y. So ano po yung gagawin natin? Lahat ng x pagsasamahin, lahat ng y pagsasamahin. So I'll just rewrite that. All of the x's together, that's 5x and 4x. And all of the y's together, that's 3y and negative 2y. Right? Minus po kasi siya eh. So ano po yung answer natin? So yung x natin is 5x plus 4x. That should give us 9x. And then 3y minus 2y, what should give us y? And therefore, your correct answer is there, option 4. Tama po? Ayan, option 4. So marami rin nakakakuha. Sige, now let's take a look at the next item. I'm skipping some extra items. Punta na lang po tayo dito sa my item number 69. This one should be easy. Ayan. So it's a review of your PEMDAS, right? What is 9 minus 4, quantity 6 plus 2? Is it 32, 41, negative 23, negative 17, or none of those options? I think quite a lot of you are already giving the answer here, right? Medyo mabilis, di ba? Ang bilis natin ngayon sa PEMDAS. So let's take a look at the solution now. So number 69, what we have here is this. What is 9 minus 4 times 6 plus 2? So uunahin po natin dito ay yung nasa loob ng parenthesis kasi PEMDAS. So that's 6 plus 2. That gives us 8. And then after that should be yung ating other operations. So after ng parenthesis, exponent wala. So we will proceed with, meron po tayong parenthesis dyan. So multiplication po yan. So 9 minus 32. So that should be 9 minus 32. That should give us 32 minus 9 is 23. Pero mas malaki po yung negative. So the final answer should be negative 23. Okay na po. So that should give a lot of us some. Okay. So let's give a bit of review po muna. Kasi gusto ko lang makapanigurado na kabisado pa po ninyo yung ating PEMDAS. Right? So we have 3 items here, additional items, supplementary items, just to make sure na naaalala pa po ninyo kung ano po yung ating PEMDAS. Ayan po. Sige. Kindly answer the 3 items given here. Okay, be careful po sa ating signs. Be very, very careful sa ating signs. Ayan, may answer na si Lucas sa lahat. So, item A is what? What we have here in item A is 18 divided by 3. So, PEMDAS, remember in PEMDAS, yung M tsaka D, magka-same level po sila. I think na-review rin po ninyo yan kay Ma'am Trilbe no nakalaan po na ating session. So, yung M and D, same level po, whichever comes first from left to right. So, 8 divided by 3, that is a 6. And then, so that's 6 minus 7 plus 2 times 5, multiplication. So, unahin din. So, 10. So, we have 6 minus 7 plus 10. 6 minus 7 plus 10. From left to right na po tayo. 6 minus 7 is negative 1 plus 10. That should give you, item A is 9. Again, item A is 9. Kasi negative po si 1 na idadagdag natin kay 10. So, dapat 9 po. Sinasubtract niyo po si 1, di po ba? Ayan. So, item A is 9. Ayan. Now, let's take a look at item B. Item B, I'm seeing answers from Jelmer, Gaudroso, and meron pang isa naka-answer dito yung unang-una, si